You don't own this wallet right now, but you're seconds away from changing that. Here's the complete blueprint for a successful rug pull so you can cash out big. I'll break down everything, but first let's dodge a massive blunder. If Pump Fund is part of your launch, stop and listen closely. Check out Photon's Pump Fund tracker and you'll witness an endless stream of meme coins. Just now, Chibi hit the scene, but it is dead on arrival. 15 seconds later and he is birred by 10 other coins listed. Blame Pump Fund's total lack of barriers. Literally anyone can deploy a coin there. Here's why Radium dominates. Only 7 new coins were minted in the last 5 minutes. 0 saturation. Demand through the roof. Just look at these metrics. Millions in market cap, tens of thousands in liquidity, triple-digit gains. Smart money flocks to Radium because technical barriers prevent scammy launches. Our move, Radium. Here's how. Launch tool breaks Radium wide open. No technical skills needed, just point, click, and launch. After 4 weeks of testing this method, I can confirm the returns will blow your mind. Before we launch a meme token, we need a coin logo. Jump into Canva, design a 128 by 128 custom graphic. A quick Google search led me to the sickest logo for my coin. You know I stay locked in on movies combined with Ghibli. Tidy up the edges and download it. That's all there is to it. Let's dive into making our meme token. Open up launchtool.io. First things first, connect your wallet by tapping Select Wallet and selecting your go-to option. Now let's lock in your token's name. Name it something dope like Toast Coin and pick a clean ticker like TOAST. The description, just a brief information and it's optional. Maybe the Toast meme token just launched. Toss in your Canva logo, then click Next to move forward. Time to configure your coin's total supply. The default settings are perfect. 1 billion Toast coins is exactly what we want. No adjustments needed, so just press Next. Next stop, creator info. They'll try to convince you to pay for marketing, but don't fall for it. A website won't bring in buyers. Radium will. Keep that 0.1 sol in your wallet, flip the switch to off, and smash that skip button. Honestly, extra exposure isn't a must here. The website and social links, empty them out and click skip. Easy as that. Alright, the revoke options are next. Leave these on. Yeah, 0.3 Solana stings a bit, but it's non-negotiable if you want investors. Disabling them means you could freeze wallets, inflate supply, or tweak metadata, which is a huge red flag. Smart buyers always check this, and if it's off, they're gone. Bite the bullet now, profit later. Ready? Smash, launch my token now. Flip to the next tab and select the bottom-most option. That'll take you to your token's SolScan page. If the display looks weird, relax. You didn't make an NFT. Just shut it, give it a minute, then restart from Launch Tool. When it loads back up, you'll see your supply, token name, and symbol all laid out. Back to Launch Tool. Let's create that liquidity pool. Smash the Create Liquidity Pool button and you'll land on Radium. Wallet connected, good. For the base token, pick the token you just created. Flip back to Launch Tool, snag your token's address, click the top icon, and paste it in the search box. Type in your token symbol and name, then click Add User Token and select it. We started with 1 billion tokens, so for initial liquidity, we'll throw in 900 million. The quote token, Solana, obviously. Put in all your Solana, minus 0.2 for Radium's cut. Since you're the first buyer, it's a win-win. Set the fee to 2%, hit Initialize Pool, and confirm. Your coin's now live. Hop to the Portfolio tab, switch to Standard, and refresh to see your LP stats. They will be here in a few minutes. Hop onto Photon and select Radium in the filter. You'll see our freshly created coin listed there. Tap it, then snag the address from the URL. It's the chunk of text after the final slash. First, pull up deckscreener.com and grab a random coin's address. Slap that copied address at after the last slash in the URL, and there's your token. You'll see some small orders. Don't sweat it, those are just bots fishing for discounts. The real action starts when the heavy hitters arrive. Until then, I'm just chilling. Bro, while I was AFK, a fat $71 buy just hit. That's like 0.6 Solana right there. Peep this insane pump though, 700% gains, absolute madness. A few more minutes, and not a lot of traction is going on. A few buys and sells, price and liquidity is still solid, no reason to panic yet. Bruh, just now we got 2 more buys, $70, $30, and 2 $5 snipes. Liquidity just pumped to $440 out of nowhere, and the chart went full send, like 3,500%. We're only 11 minutes in, and this thing is absolutely mooning. Holy moly, a $150 buy just smacked. That's 1.3 Solana, bro. Just look at this chart. It's a masterpiece. Genius play for real. Owning the pool means almost zero chance of losing. Rinse and repeat this all day. Time to cash out and count these gains. We're out of here. Return to Radium's platform and check the portfolio section. Under my positions, keep it on standard view. If your funds aren't visible immediately, no worries. Just wait a little and refresh the page. Once they appear, hit the minus button, adjust to 100%, and confirm remove liquidity. Sign the transaction and congrats, your money's all yours again. Started with 0.9 Solana, whipped up this token, and now I've got almost 2.7, that's 3x gains. All that in under 20 minutes? Yeah, I'll take it. Full transparency. I'm not giving financial advice, and I don't endorse rug pools. I have no ties to these sites, but I'll leave the links down below. This strategy is printing right now, but who knows how long the hype will hold. Don't wait too long, or you'll regret it.